Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Me and Sahib Singh have come today to talk to you about a very important topic, about what the world is going through and what's actually happening.
Mrs. Kaur,
Yes, Sahib Singh.
did you know in the world that everybody's at home?
Yeah, and did you know the reason why that's happened?
Well, I know that there's a very, very dangerous virus going round, and it's a bit like the flu, and you get really, really poorly.
That's correct. Well done, Sahib Singh. And the government has told us lots of things, and some of the rules are to stay at home.
I've been staying at home.
Well done. So you've been really good and you've been listening to the rules and abiding by them, haven't you?
I love staying at home. I don't even have to go to school.
Sahib Singh, I hope you're learning at home though.
I am. My mummy, she teaches me lots and lots of things. She even taught me how to make some lovely gingerbread biscuits.
Oh, looks like your learning's been very fun.
Yeah, I can tell you one really important thing I learnt in this whole lockdown is how to wash my hands.
Sahib Singh, you might think that's very funny, but it's actually very important. Well done.
And did you know how I wash my hands? I think happy birthday 2 times.
Sahib Singh, you're so funny. And I'd like to know who you actually sing happy birthday to.
I think happy birthday to me.
Oh, I bet you do. And Sahib Singh, do you know what the Gurdwara has been doing and how important their role has been?
I thought all the Gurdwaras were all closed down and all locked down.
Well, Sahib Singh, you are right, but remember that Guru Nanak Dev Ji made langar.
Langar, I'm so glad you told me about that. Langar is so important. I used to love going to the Gurdwara just to eat the langar.
I bet you did.
Especially when it was pizza and chips and beans.
I know you did, but let me tell you, Sahib Singh.
You left Mrs. Kaur, you can tell me.
Yes, Sahib Singh, listen. Well, the Sevadars in the Gurdwara have been making langar for the NHS workers, for people who can't make food at home, for people who can't go out because they are elderly, for anyone. And the Sevadars have been making lots and lots of goodie bags.
Can I have goodie bag? More so, what's inside the goodie bag? Is chips and pizza like my favourite food?
No, Sahib Singh, it's actually langar, which is dal, maybe rice, maybe prashade, maybe some rotiyan.
Oh, I really think that is so generous. Guru Nanak Dev Ji started this, and now the whole world knows what langar is because it's been distributed and been given out to everyone. Mrs. Kaur?
Yes, Sahib Singh.
What you said it's being given to the elderly, yeah? It's been given out to people who can't go out.
That's correct, Sahib Singh.
And you also mentioned NHS. What's that then?
Well, the NHS are all the important people who work in the hospital and work for health and looking after your health, like the doctors and the nurses. Oh, they're very, very important. And they need the hot food because they are saving lives and they are looking after all the people who are getting this very, very dangerous disease and virus. And they are so busy, they haven't got time to make the food and go home to eat it. Guru Nanak Dev Ji saved the day by making langar, and now the langar is distributed all around the world. That's correct, Sahib Singh. We are very lucky to have this seva and have such free food being given out. But can I go there to the Gurdwara and go and help as well? Sahib Singh, at the moment obviously we're in lockdown and you can go and help, but you will have to obviously have your mask on. I've got one of those, and also you will also have to be very careful and obviously keep your distance. But I'm only 6 years old. How can I make the rutia? Well, Sahib Singh, did you know that seva starts at home? What do you mean, Mrs. Kaur? Seva starts at home. Sahib Singh, at home, do you help your mummy? I do. I sometimes help by picking up all of the clothes from the floor and I tidy them up. Are they your clothes that you've made a mess with? My bedroom is so messy sometimes, and even so smelly with my punky socks. Sahib Singh, but you can help around the house. I will. I can help by picking up things. I can try and clean. I can try and just say, I don't know how to do very much, but I can say thank you. That is the biggest thing you can do. Mrs. Kaur, yes, Sadie, I got a present for you. Can you close your eyes? Okay, I'm going to close my eyes. Sahib Singh! What's that, Sadie? I made you a thank you card. Wow, Sahib Singh! You make me so happy. Why on earth have you made me a thank you card? Maybe because you're always looking after me, and sometimes I can't really help you. But the only help I can give you is by saying thank you. Dear Miss Kaur, thank you for everything you do for me. I do look after you. I give you a bath, put your clothes on, tell you to start. You are a very, very good boy. And keep reading then. Thank you for everything you do. And I will try to do more and help around at home. And I just wanted to say thank you to you because I do love you. Thank you so much, Sahib Singh, for the card. I'm so glad you like it. But while I've been at home with my family, I really, really enjoyed it. Why is that, Sahib Singh? Even though the world has all gone in lockdown and it seems like a very, very sad and negative place. That's right, Sahib Singh, out there, it's all quiet, hardly any cars out there, but I really, really enjoyed it. Why is that, Sahib Singh, apart from making gingerbread biscuits and having lots of fun food and fun activities? I've been spending time at home with my family. That's really nice of you, and that's very, very caring. That's a very nice time to spend together. We do bath in the morning together, and then guess what, Mrs. Kaur? I even learned one shopping. Did you learn it on the Bajja? I did. I learned one Shabad on the Bajja, and I really want to do lots and lots of Kirtan.
What else have you been doing in the lockdown? Well, every night we all sit together as a family and we do our part before we eat our meal.
Oh, I think I know what that part is.
It's the egg hair.
I knew it was that, Shabad.
I really like that time when we sit together and we eat. Because what we're saying is thank you to Waheguru.
And you know what? If you don't know that, Shabad, you can just do Waheguru, can't you?
Yeah, you can all just close your eyes as a family and just say Satnam Waheguru, Satnam Waheguru.
And that reminds me of all the camps I've been to with you guys. Oh, we do miss camps, don't we?
But I really enjoyed spending time with my family. And did you know what, boys and girls? I think you can spend time with your family and I think you're really going to enjoy it. And if you want to do Seva, remember Seva starts at...
I know, Sahib Singh.
Home! Seva starts at home. And if you want to, like me, you can make your family a thank you card. And I'm going to even make one for all the Sevadars at the Gurdwara because they are working so hard. I hope you enjoyed our lesson today. I'm going to go now, so maybe we can all laugh at it together.
That would be really nice.
Come on, Sahib Singh, get your hands together. Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh.